Welcome to Room 57, where we delve into the most riveting and jaw-dropping criminal cases from around the world. Today, we embark on a journey through one of the most captivating cases in recent American history, the Alex Murdaugh case. It is a saga that involves corruption, betrayal, murder, and a family's downfall, all set against the backdrop of power, privilege, and deception in small-town South Carolina. The story of Alex Murdaugh begins with the rise of a legal dynasty, a family known for its wealth, influence, and control over the judicial system in the Lowcountry of South Carolina. But beneath the surface of this seemingly untouchable family lay dark secrets and a web of criminal activity that would eventually come to light in the most shocking and tragic way possible. On June 7, 2021, the Murdaugh family's empire was rocked when Alex's wife, Maggie Murdaugh, and their youngest son, Paul Murdaugh, were found brutally murdered on the family's hunting estate. This horrific crime would lead to one of the most bizarre and tragic criminal cases in recent memory. It would take investigators, journalists, and the public more than a year to piece together the truth about what had happened that fateful night, and in the process, the case would expose a tangled web of lies, corruption, financial fraud, and betrayal. In this episode, we'll be exploring the rise of Alex Murdaugh and the family's legacy of power, wealth, and influence in South Carolina's legal world. But it's not just about a tragic murder, it's about the unraveling of a dynasty, the dark secrets that came to light, and the complex investigation that ultimately led to Alex Murdaugh's arrest for the murder of his own family. So, let's take a closer look at the Murdaugh family's legacy and how Alex Murdaugh went from being the scion of one of the most powerful families in South Carolina to a man accused of killing his wife and son in cold blood. Part 1. The Murdaugh family legacy and Alex's rise to power. To truly understand the magnitude of the Alex Murdaugh case, we need to go back in time to the rise of the Murdaugh family as one of the most influential and feared legal dynasties in the state of South Carolina. This is a story about power, privilege, and the dangerous consequences of being above the law. The Murdaugh family's legal legacy. Murdaugh family's roots in South Carolina's legal community stretch back more than a century. In fact, the Murdaughs are a fixture in the state's legal world, having dominated the area for generations. The family's history in law began with Randolph Murdaugh Sr., who founded the law firm PMP Parker, Murdaugh, and Parker Law Firm in 1910. The firm, which began as a small operation in Hampton, South Carolina, would grow over time to become one of the most well-known and powerful legal institutions in the Lowcountry region. By the time Randolph Murdaugh Jr., the patriarch's son, took over the firm, the Murdaugh family had already established itself as an indomitable force